Hello students. So this is our part second of EVS of class 4th, that is the chapter 4th, and that is the games and the recreation. Okay, so in this video we will complete it our second half of the chapter, and I'm revising you some points that in previous video we have studied that there are two type of games are there, that is the indoor game and the outdoor games. Indoor game means that we play inside our house, that is the indoor game, and outdoor games that we play outside, like football, volleyball, cricket. These all are the outdoor games. Is it clear? So these are the games that we play outside, and indoor games are that chess, ludo, and snack and ladders that we play inside our house. These all are the examples. Okay, and we have also studied that what is mean by the recreation. Recreation means we are doing some activity in our leisure time. Okay, I hope you all are understood everything properly. So let's start our topic, that is the rules of the games. Okay, each games is playing according to a set of rules which have to be followed by all the players. First, I tell you that what is the meaning of rules that you all are studying in school. Okay, so, there are some rules and regulations that you all are following. Okay, so in games also there are some rules that according to the games that all the players are uh, follow all the rules and regulations. Is it clear? So rules help us to play a fair game and decide right and wrong in case of disagreement. Okay, first I tell you that what is the meaning of disagreement. Means players having the right to give an opinion in the game. Is it clear? That is the disagreement. Okay, a person is giving the authority to decide about the right and the wrong. He is called referee. Means one more example I am giving you, that we all are independents. Okay, and we are having right to fight again any rules and the regulation. In games also there are they all the players are having the rights to fight, to give a different opinion if there is any wrong in game. So they are having rights to tell, or they are arguing. Okay, is it clear? Now there is another two question for you, that list any two rules of a game which you play at school. Okay, and next list any two rules of game which you play at home. First you have to write about in school, and now next is that is the home. This two question you have to do it yourself. Okay, and you have to write in your notebook. Is it clear to everybody? So our next topic is, that is the spirit of the games. Spirit means uh, that we think, one more example I'm giving you, that in Hindi we call that is the atma. Okay, that we cannot see, but we are think that is inside our body. Okay, so a games should be played in its right spirit. Okay, each player should get a chance to show his skill. Skill means here ability or a talentedness. Means I'm giving you just example that some people are talented in different fields. Okay, some are in dancing, some are in music, etc. So in games also each player should show their talentedness. Is it clear to everybody? So there should be no hard feeling among the players. Hard feeling means the sadness. Okay, because they show their talented they show their ability or talentedness, so they should not be said, okay, in the game. Is it clear to everybody? It was a Basant Panchami. It was the day of kite flying. You all know now, Basant Panchami. On that day, we are flying the kites. Sandeep was flying a kite with his friend, that is the Winky Monkey. Okay, when Nandu, his gardener's son, come along with his father. Okay, Nandu was the same age as that a Sandeep. Sandeep and the Nandu, they both are the same age. Okay. When Winky asked to Sandeep to invite Nandu to flying a kite, Sandeep made a face. Why he was making a face? Because Nandu was a gardener's son. That is why he was making a face. Okay. He did not want to be friend with a gardener's son. Is it clear? But Winky called Nandu. Okay, Winky is calling the Nandu. Is it clear? Now next is Nandu was very happy to able to fly a kite. He was so good at that his kite flew much higher than Sandeep. Sandeep and Nandu, they both are flying the kites. Okay, but Nandu was so happy because they are flew uh, much higher than the Sandeep. Okay, Sandeep kite. Is it clear? He also managed to catch many good kites. Is it clear? We are catch the kites now. Okay. Now Sandeep felt ashamed and asked Nandu to give him some tips on kite fly. First Sandeep was not calling Nandu because he was a gardener's son, but now he was ashamed because he is very good in flying kites. So Sandeep is tell to Nandu that you give me some tip how to uh, catch the kites. Okay, is it clear to everybody? Now there is a question for you that do you play with all the children in your neighborhood? Okay, I'm repeating this question again. Do you play with all the children in your neighborhood? Okay, this you have to do it yourself. Is it clear? So our next topic is other way of recreation. Okay, Sandeep once went to the circus. He still recall how much fun he had there. There was a juggler who entertained the audience with colorful rings and ball. Then there was a tightrope performance who walked the rope. You see this picture. These are the jugglers, and they show their colorful rings, and also they walk on the rope. Okay, the clown entertain everyone with his funny taxes textures. The trapeze artist swing on the beam in the beam in midair. Okay. Now next is going to fair zoo. Okay, circus, etc. Fair means that is the mela. Okay, are some other form of recreation. These all are the recreation. Recreation, first I have told you that recreation, that is the that activity which are doing in the leisure time, that is free time. Okay, so and these are also example that fair, zoo, circus that we are going now, that is also the recreation. Okay, so we go to the zoo and have fun watching the birds and animals. Okay, in zoo what we are watching, that birds and the animals. Is it clear? On a clear sunny day, we go to the picnic with elders. Okay, food is packed and everyone enjoy the nature of the whole day. Okay, sometimes we visit music, book fair and cultural fair, watch puppet show and music and dance performance, and go to uh, Cineplex to see a movie. Okay, reading book, watching television and listening to the radio, painting pictures and clay modeling are also some other means of recreation. Recreation keep us active and we do not feel dull. I hope you all are understood this. These all are the example which we are doing in our free time. Okay, and we also say that recreation keep us active and we do not feel dull. Is it clear? You see this blue one, that is the knowing it. Fair or mela are an integral part of Indian culture. Is it clear? That is the Kumbh Mela. It is a religious fair which is held in India after every 12 years. It is held in after 12 years. Okay. It is the largest fair in the world. Okay. So after completing this, I hope you all are understood this chapter, and uh, I'm giving you these all question answers, so please you have to complete this question answer in your notebook. And if you are having any query, so you can share your video. Okay, and in next video we will complete it our question answer. Okay, thank you, bye bye.